Hi everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. I love cooking and eating food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple dressing using shiokoji. This is my go-to recipe and I make this pretty much every time I make a salad at home. It's super quick and easy to make, and yet it tastes so much better than the store-bought ones. It's light and refreshing and goes well with any kind of salad. I really want you to try it. So, let's dive in. The star of this dressing is, of course, shiokoji. We're going to use it in place of salt. Shiokoji is salty, but also has umami and sweetness. It doesn't have a strong, distinctive flavor and smell, so it works to enhance rather than change or hide the flavor of the ingredients of the salad. You can make this at home or buy the product. I like using this product by Marukome. I'll put the links in the description. So let's start making the dressing by cutting up a lemon in half and then squeezing it to get its juice. Then, in a small bowl, add shiokoji, lemon juice, olive oil, and black pepper. Stir it up, and you're done with the dressing. Very simple, right? Now, you will enjoy this dressing with any kind of salad. But let me quickly show you the salad I'm making today because it went brilliantly with this dressing. In a large bowl, I added some greens, sliced paprika, carrot peels, and grapefruit segments. I tossed them together and then transferred them onto a plate. Then I sliced a boiled egg and topped the salad with the egg slices and diced tomato. And our beautiful salad with shiokoji dressing is done. Let's go ahead and dress the salad. Isn't this a beautiful sight? I was so hungry doing this and couldn't wait to eat it. This salad was amazing. The lemon juice was so refreshing, and the subtle umami and sweetness from shiokoji really complemented the flavor of the vegetables, the fruit, and the egg. Especially, I loved the way the sweet grapefruit, the salty shiokoji, the crunchy carrot, and the gentle egg worked so well in harmony. Of course, you can top the salad with seafood, chicken, roast beef, you name it. This dressing will take any salad to the next level. So I really hope that you will give this a try and let me know how it went. I think you will love it. And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts and more details about this recipe. I will put the links to the written recipe and shiokoji in the description. Stay tuned for my next delicious video. See you soon and have a nice day.